Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to discuss and illustrate to you the shorthand symbol for the sound of H and ing as word ending. So let me share my screen. Okay, so it is written by principle that the shorthand symbol for the sound of H and ing, both are represented by a dot. Okay, again, the both letter, the shorthand symbol for the sound of H and ing is a dot. However, the placement of the dot is different. Letter H in longhand is written like this. Okay, and in longhand ing is written like this. However, in shorthand, both are written in accordance to the principle of Greg, and it is a dot. Okay, a dot, a period, or a dot. However, the difference is the location of the dot. In letter H, the dot is located at the beginning. At the beginning. Okay, for H, it is located at the beginning of the word. However, ing, the dot is located at the end part. Okay? At the end part of the word. So H is put at the top of the vowel. So let me illustrate the outline, the shorthand outline for the first example, he. So as stated by principle, it is a dot. So we have H, a dot, and we write a small circle representing letter E. So that is the shorthand outline for the word he. We have a dot located at the beginning, and we have a small circle representing letter E. Moving on, we have the word heat. Okay, I forgot to write letter H first. Okay, letter H, and then E, T. Again, it's letter H, E, T. So it is heat. Heating, we just repeat the word heat, and then we add another dot at the end part, and it is no longer letter H, but it is an ing. So now we have heating. Take note, letter H is located at the beginning of the word, and ing, which is the same dot, but it is located at the end part of the word. Next, we have naming. So naming, we have N, A, let me repeat, N, A, M. Okay. I just have to rewrite and make it straight, N, A, M. So without a dot at the end part, it is just name. However, if we want to make it naming, then we have to add a dot here. Okay? meeting. Okay. Hate, we have A, T, and then we put here letter H. Taming, we have TAM, and then a dot. Taming. Heeding, we have H, E, D, and then a dot. Again, I repeat, we have H, then letter E, D, and another dot or ing. And the last example, we have dating. So, date, letter D, A, T, and then ing. So now, it is clear that we have the same shorthand symbol for letter H and ing. However, the difference is that we put a dot at the beginning to represent letter H, and we put a dot at the end part to represent ing. So thank you. And for our next topic, I'm going to discuss and illustrate the shorthand symbols for letter O, R, and L.